Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best ring alternatives in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. 1080p HD security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, two-way talk and audio plus, 3D motion detection, HDR, and a built-in 110 dB security siren. Upgraded with advanced security features like improved noise reduction and bird's eye view, a way to monitor motion events from above in the Ring app. Enjoy a reliable connection with dual band, 2.4 or 5.0 GHz, Wi-Fi connectivity. With a Ring Protect plan, subscription sold separately, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos. For added peace of mind, pair with Alexa to help you keep an eye on your home. Connect with Alexa to hear motion alerts on your compatible Echo device or see a live view with an Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire tablet. Talk to visitors by saying, "Alexa, talk to the front door." With a Ring Protect plan, subscription sold separately, Alexa can also make voice announcements and automatically show live video feeds on an Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire tablet when your Ring Floodlight Cam detects a person. Number 2. Our second best pick is Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. While many customers use this spotlight camera outdoors, there's nothing stopping you from taking its waterproof design and using it inside your home. Its diminutive footprint makes it easy to place anywhere from the living room to your entry foyer without becoming conspicuous, and a staggering 160-degree capture angle means you'll have a nearly panoramic view of what's happening in your house. Not only is the capture angle impressive, but the footage is captured in 2K with support for HDR, providing you with a crystal clear image. And if you do notice something strange, you can activate a siren to let intruders, or a mischievous animal or child, know that you're watching. This spotlight camera is a premium device, and with that comes a premium price tag. You can save a bit by bundling multiple cameras together, but a single camera retails for $200. It's a bit steep, but no doubt you're getting what you pay for. Best of all, if you decide to switch up your security system, you'll be able to take it outside without worrying about how it will perform. It truly is a jack-of-all-trades camera, and anyone seeking the best should give it serious consideration. Number 3. Our third best pick is Philips Hue Calla Pathway Light. You can bring the versatility of Philips Hue to your yard with the Calla Pathway Light. Its modern design is a great fit for all types of landscaping, and its access to 16 million colors makes it easy to cultivate the perfect ambience. There does need to be a wired connection to the light, although once it's set up you can control the action with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant. There's also the option to simply use the Philips Hue smartphone app, which offers all the functionality you'll ever need. Installation is both simple and safe, although it requires a Hue bridge, and you can daisy chain other products to light up large backyards. If you're not sold on Calla's design, check out the Economic or Lily styles. They offer similar functionality with a different aesthetic. Regardless of which you choose, you'll get a waterproof design and powerful outdoor lighting options. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SimpliSafe Wireless Home Security System. Few products offer the versatility and ease of this wireless home security system. The 12-piece set includes a base station, a keypad, 5 entry sensors, 2 motion sensors, a panic button, an indoor camera, and a key fob. Once you've placed everything where you want them and synced them together, your home is fully protected. The entry sensors can be placed on windows or doors to let you know when they're opened. The motion sensor alerts you when there's motion inside your home. The indoor camera makes it easy to check up on things when you're away, and both the base station and key fob make it easy to arm and disarm the system. It truly is a full-fledged security system in a single box, and while its $400 price tag is steep, you're getting a lot of value for your money. You'll also get the added convenience of a simple setup and a powerful app to control the action. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Wyze Floodlight. The Wyze catalog is filled with powerful and affordable smart products, and this floodlight is no exception. Available for less than $100, the Floodlight offers the protection of devices in a much higher price bracket. The trade-off? A quirky design that doesn't look as premium as the competition. It's a small drawback, however, as the functionality brought to the table by this Floodlight is impressive. You'll benefit from a customizable detection system that boasts 3 sensors and a 270-degree detection range. There's also a 1080p HD camera to record the action. And despite the low price tag, Wyze even managed to pack in a 2-way audio system and emergency siren to alert intruders. The floodlights themselves are incredibly bright, with 2,600 Lumen LED lights to help illuminate every corner of your yard. If you don't want to worry about turning them on and off every day, you can let its dusk to dawn automation determine when to activate them based on the current light level. Throw an IP65 weather resistance for the worst storms and the ability to link another Wyze V3, and it's easy to see why this floodlight is such a popular product. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.